Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I have my Eyescream Beauty Box for January. I really enjoy this box. It's just fun. I mean, look at the packaging. The packaging is so fun. Look at there's an ice cream cone and she's got eyelashes on and a cherry on her head. I love it. Here comes Smudge. All right, so I cut this open. This has a smash in the top, but I think they protect it pretty well. I think it'll be just fine. So this is how it opens. Let me show you. It's one of these nice boxes that opens, you know, like this. So it's nice and tight in there. They do send a card, and it used to just say what the items were, but now it is giving a description for the items. So that's really nice. And right on top is a palette. Oh my goodness. And then there's another palette. Well, let's start with the smaller things first. Well, let's do. There's a lot in here, y'all. My goodness sakes. There's a lot in here. Okay, let's say it says that there should be 5 things in here, but I see more than 5 things. So let's see what the deal is here. Oh, color. Let's see. Okay, because there are one category is 3 eyeliners. Oh my goodness, this is going to be fun. Let me try to show them to you without dropping them. These are beautiful. Okalan. Not sure how to say it. Look at these glitters. Y'all, look at that. Okay, so let me see what it says. It says there's 3 eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, $33. So I'm assuming that means $11 each. This set of eyeliners was chosen to complement the colors in the palettes. The golds will complement the warmer shades. The purples will of course complement the purple shades, and the black is perfect for any combination of colors. The purple and gold shades are shimmers. The black shade is matte. So can you see that, y'all? Let me open one. All right, I'm gonna open one. This is the gold, which I adore. This will be just the black, but even the packaging is pretty. And then here's the purple. Let's open the purple. Of course, I'm probably going to, it doesn't matter if I damage the package. I'm just going to rip it up because I'm keeping it and I'm using it. This is so much fun. So much fun. Look at how gorgeous that is, y'all. All right, where's the name? There it is. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I've got purples on today. So there it is. It's a liquid eyeliner. And let's see how it does. Oh, wow. It's super pretty. It's super pretty. It has sparkle to it. Not really glitter pieces in it, but it's sparkly. I don't know if you can see any of the sparkle, but look at that nice line it drew too. Beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And there's 2 palettes, y'all. There are 2 palettes, so we'll get to that in a second. I'm too excited now. Now I'm too excited, okay. Let's see. Then we have this. These sort of look like they go together because of the coloring, but they're 2 different things. Let's see. We have Champagne Eye Crayon by Mirabella Beauty. Mirabella Eye. I've had products from this company before. So this is an eye crayon. Let's see. It's valued at $20. Okay, I like this kind of thing. It's going to be like a thick crayon. Whoops, it's popped out of there a little bit. It's going to be, you know, you could use it as a base. It's sort of it's sort of nude, but it's this color, but it has some glimmer to it. So you can use that under other eyeshadows, or you could use that, you know, to highlight and other things like that. And it's an eye crayon. So, and then you would sharpen this. So that'll stay in there and you just sharpen it. So I'll since I touched it and everything, I'll swatch it so you can see. I have used these before. This is a little light for me, but it's very light, but it has a gold shimmer to it. There, maybe you can see it a little bit. So really you could use it on your eyes, but you could also use it as a highlighter. You can carry that with you and just use it when you need it, because it probably blends out real nice. And it does. So you can use it for other things. Excuse me. So that's the Mirabella. That is valued at $20. And then we have this is pretty. Looks like watermelon. Melon Dollar Lips by the Beauty Crop. This is valued at $11. New year, new lips. This lip plumping gloss is absolutely gorgeous. It has a beautiful shine and is very hydrating. It also smells amazing. It has watermelon seed oil to provide a moisturizing effect for lips and permanent peppermint oil for plumping. Oh, that sounds interesting. Slight tingling is normal for plumping products. You know, I don't really care for plumping lipsticks necessarily. I mean, they're okay. My lips don't seem to change with them, but I know several of y'all really love them. It's a real pretty, it looks more, more coral on camera, but it is in person, it's more of a watermelon pink. So I'm not going to open that because one of y'all will probably like that in a giveaway or something. And then we have two palettes. Let's see what's in here. All right, this one just looks easier to open, so I'm going to start with it. Mediterranean Spring Travel Tea Palettes. This is valued at $15. It is from the Beauty Crop. And okay, there it is on the back. It is a face palette. So, let me see if I can, it's sealed, which is nice. The Beauty Crop has some beautiful products and they're very reasonably priced. So this is a face palette. The Universal Face Palette is perfect to bronze up your face, excuse me, add color to the cheeks and help get your glow on. The palette is complimentary on all skin tones. That's what it looks like. There's a good variety in here. So the Beauty Crop often has this beautiful plastic case and then different types of designs with the silver, with the opalescence, whatever you call that. I always forget what that's called. And then, oh, this is pretty. There's a mirror on one side, and then it's TBC. A lot of these are stamped with TBC. So these look like, you know, creams, these two. And then the others are all powders. And they're just beautiful. It's true. There's all kinds of shades in there for you to use. All kinds of shades. Beautiful, beautiful. So that is really pretty. And I love that packaging is beautiful. And the box too. The box is so pretty. And then there is, this is Rococo palette by Musée Beauty. It's not easy to open. It's sealed in plastic, which is nice. This palette is valued at $45. And it includes 10 creamy matte shades and 6 reflective wearable shimmer shades. Pastel shades may not swatch the best, but apply beautifully with brushes, okay, or pat it on with your fingertips. It's meant to be buildable and blendable. Top 8 shades are warm tones and bottom 8 are pastels. Okay, there's a lot of this plastic on here. Okay, let me show you the packaging because it's very pretty. So that is, isn't that pretty how that gold? So that is Muse, like the word Muse with an extra E. So M-U-S-E-E. So would you say it Musée Beauty? Musée Beauty maybe? But it's very beautiful. And I love the shade. I love that like a silvery purple shade on the sides of the box. And let's get in there. It's very nicely packaged. I gotta say that. I might have to take a break and get it out of here, y'all. So, I'm challenged sometimes with things. So I have to open up the other end, trying not to break the box, so I can push it out because it's in there so tight. Hey, smudge. Okay, so now it says Rococo. Musée. Now there's an accent over the E. Musée Beauty. Okay. An art movement characterized by opulence, the joy of living. Okay, let's open it and see. I'm just realizing that one of my nails is missing. This has a mirror on one side, and it has a color saver that I'd like to take off, but let me see if I don't want to ruin anything. So I'll show you in a minute what I mean. Well, okay, here are the colors. There's a nice variety of shades in here. And if you can see, there is this lip to the box. So that's why I couldn't just pick up that plastic. I had to use my tweezers. but that's beautiful. Okay, so there's a shimmer and shimmers here. And then there's a shimmer down here, this goldish yellow. And then that. So there's a lot of looks you could make with this palette. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of neutrals in here, and then there's some pops of color. Very, very pretty. Y'all, I'm not going to swatch it because I just have too many like this. And it's beautiful, though. I would love to swatch it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to probably put this in a future giveaway. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I have so many, and I would rather share with y'all. I am super excited. This box was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. That's what I have to say about Eyescream Beauty. It's a lot of fun. This is gorgeous. I love what I did swatch. This palette is beautiful. Did I tell you the price? Yeah. So I could add up the box here, and these, I am in heaven over these crazy pens. This right here made the box for me. And then there is this lippy, and there's just a lot going on here. So let me see what it adds up to. 45, 55, 56, 79, 109, 124, I think. So this is the cute. I didn't even tell you it's January. The theme is You Are the Art. So that makes a lot of sense. You are the art. So y'all, I love that. That is my favorite thing right there. And the gold one. And the gold one too. Woohoo! And the black one. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I'm going to take pictures and put them on Instagram so you can see everything. Did I show you everything again? I'm super excited, as you can see. All right, I'm going to end this, and thanks for stopping by to see what I have in my Eyescream Beauty Box. And I think this is just a fun subscription. I think I told y'all why I got it. I had got this in the past, and I was getting too many makeup boxes, but then I heard that people were being rude to them, prejudiced toward them. So I was like, no, I'm not going to have that. I have to join. So if you need a reason to join, a good reason is that some people were ugly to them because they mentioned a certain nationality. So some people said, I'm out of here, and left. And they were worried they were going to have trouble and go out of business or something. So I don't like prejudice. So I got a 6-month subscription to this box, and I might try the bag next when this is over. So I've had this since October, and I really enjoy it. So much so that I have gifted it to a few people, and they seem to like it really, really a lot also. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings, and good to see you. Bye-bye.